Hey guys, today we're going to check out this silver blue 1966 Ford Mustang with the deluxe pony two-tone blue and white original interior. This car has been completely restored back to its factory codes and factory colors inside and out, and the paint job is just absolutely phenomenal. We got this car in, we power washed the undercarriage, went through it all, checked it over, and this car is ready to jump in and drive. We'll go through it here and tell you what works and what don't work. As we go to the front end of this car, it's had a new horse and corral, a brand new front bumper. The front valance is beautiful. I'll tell you what, the silver blue paint job on this sparkles and has a gorgeous metallic in it. The grille is in excellent condition. It's got a new aluminum radiator. Jay, do you want to go ahead and open the hood, bud? As Jay's opening the hood, we're going to check out this, just how straight this car is. In my opinion, it has a show quality paint job and a laser straight finish. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. What do you think of this car, Jay? You like this one?
Oh,
yeah, it's freaking nice. Just a very nice car. The only thing I kind of thought, Jay, is what the next owner can do is probably go ahead and paint the inner fenders. You know, they did a beautiful job on the paint job and a really nice job on the bottom of the hood. But I thought the next guy can do a lot better job on the inner fender paint and repaint the motor. You know, we just didn't have time to do that. But that's really the only thing on the paint interior that needs to be done to the car. It does have power brakes on it. Jay, you want to look, see if it's got disc or drum? I think they're drum, but on the front. As far as the radiator goes, drum. Yeah, so it's got drum on the front, but it does have power brakes. It has an aluminum radiator, brand new fan shroud, keeping this thing cool. Motor runs excellent, 289. I'm trying to think if it's a 4-barrel or 2-barrel. Everything's packed in there. Factory VIN numbers there, just right where it should be. Two-barrel carburetor, guys, so 289 2-barrel, just like it would have came from the factory. Okay, I'll let you put that back in there, will you, bud? As far as the rest of the car goes, brand new wheel well trim. The style steel rims, Jay completely steel wooled them. They look brand freaking new. Raised wet letter tires, BFG are brand new. Emblems are new. The paint on the front fender is absolutely gorgeous. If you go inside the trunk, you go to our website pictures, you'll be able to see that. It's got the correct spare, it's got the spare tire cover, it's got the correct trunk mat, just really nice trunk as well. They did a beautiful job painting the headlight surrounds, all in here behind the bumper. I mean, they didn't take any shortcuts at all during the paint job that I can see. Inside and out, in my opinion, this is a show quality car that can just that really drives good as well. As far as our hood gap goes, the hood fits perfectly flush with the top of the fender. Gap's nice on the passenger side, gap's nice on the driver's side as well. Don't see any chips or any imperfections anywhere in the hood. As we go here to the front fender, again, the paint is in excellent shape. Here's our gap. Our body line's nice. Both of those body lines there. No bubbles or blisters in the lower front of the door or the lower fender. As we go along here to the bottom of the door, bottom of the quarter panel, it's perfect as well. And check out the gap here at the back of the door. So really nice body line fit. All three spots. This silver blue almost has just a little lavender hue in the right light, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And this is the original, I don't know if you know this, Jay, but this is the original color of this car. Silver blue with the blue and white two-tone interior. This is so striking. I mean, it's probably one of the nicest color combinations on one of these Mustang coupes that I've seen. And guys, this Mustang, we got it in, it actually came, it cleaned up and turned out better than I thought. So I had already priced it at $23,995. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that price. It's a fantastic deal for somebody. We've sold a lot of Mustang coupes for a lot more money than this. And really not in any better shape. As far as our back bumper's new, the tail light lenses are new, the chrome around the lenses are new. It's got the unscrewed, the gas cap, it screws off here. That's in excellent shape. Dual exhaust sounds good, absolutely no smoke. as we look at our trunk lid area, a lot of these trunk lids just don't fit right. Check out the body gap on this. Fits absolutely perfectly flush. The paint is immaculate on the trunk lid. I don't see any dings, scratches. Here we go again. Nice fit there. Top of the trunk fits excellent to the top of the trunk lid. It doesn't bow up at all. Back glass is nice, and when they did this back shelf, they put speaker covers in there as well. And behind the rear quarters is perfect, no bubbles or blisters. As far as our tire size goes, we have 205 70 14s. One thing a guy could do just a little bit better on this restoration is you probably could put new door handles on it. It's about 25 bucks a piece. They work perfect, but they are original. Doors open so nice, and the hinges hold good. The rubbers were replaced during restoration. Corner of the door is perfect. Inside door panel has been replaced. There is a few pits on the original window cranks and stuff, but they go up and down nice, all four of them. Armrest bases are original. Pads are new, door panels are new. It's got the pony interior. Seat covers are beautiful. When they did it, they did new pads and everything. Carpet's older, but still looks good. Door jamb paint all looks good, just like the exterior of the car. Inside the door jamb, that's all been painted nicely as well. It's got a Mustang digital radio.
Liberty Mutual Insurance, 100% customized.
Works great. Heater fan works. Inside our glove box, the inside glove box light does work. It also has its original owner's manual. Also has the custom auto sound radio instructions. Horn works. It's got the original steering wheel, so if you look around the edges, it's got those little hairline cracks, and it has one major crack right here. So original steering wheel, horn works, speedometer works, gauges are all clear. Shows 87,113 miles. I'm almost positive by judging it, the condition of it, that is original. The shifter bushing is a little loose here in the shifter, like a lot of times. We do have new bushings coming for that. It's got the really nice seat belts in it, so it's got the nice chrome blue matching seat belts. Again, the seat covers are perfect. Headliner is perfect. It's not wrinkly at all. Our visors are nice and tight, so the visors, headliner are all new. They've got the new little rubber stoppers on there. The mirror is new. The chrome is excellent there. The dash pad is new. Jay, sorry man, I know it's taken a while. It's hot, guys. It's about 95 degrees here in Iowa today. The dash pad's new. All the paint on the dash is new. Kick panels are great. As we go to the back of the seats backs are excellent. The chrome on the seats are good. Back seat, back door panel is excellent shape as well. So super nice. Check out those door shuts. Again, body's laser straight, paint is excellent. I'm guessing somebody probably at least spent 10 grand on the paint job on this car. It's straight, isn't it? Yeah, it's freaking nice. I love the wheel combinations. We do a lot of torque thrust wheels here at Coyote Classics, but on the Mustangs, don't you kind of aren't these kind of your favorite on these 65 and 6s, Jason?
It makes it stand out.
It does. Again, check out our door gap. Top of the door fits good. Nice even gap from top to bottom. Just a little bit of buffing compound there. Maybe it might, yeah, it comes right out. In front of the rear quarter is perfect. It does have the chrome optional things in the quarter panel. Wheel well trim looks perfect. No bubbles, no blisters down low. Fender gap is excellent. You really have to see this car in person in the sun to really appreciate the paint and the color on it. You know, if a guy gets this car home, there's no way anyone could be possibly disappointed in the paint or body on it, could they, Jay?
Like a brand new car.
Yeah, it is super nice. Here's how the doors open, guys, and close. As soon as you hit that button, it just flies right open. Really adjusted nicely. So our body color is Y, which is a silver blue, trim D2, date is 02B, DSO is 44, axle 6, trans is 6, which is the C4. It is a C code 2-barrel car. That's exactly how it is today, 289 2-barrel. Door panel has a few scratches on the white just from your foot getting in and out. Scuff plate also, guys, that's one other thing you could probably do to enhance the car. It's got the original scuff plate still on it, which in some ways that's good, but you can buy it for 20 bucks a piece, and just makes that chrome shine a lot more in the scuff plate area. All right, Jay, you must also get in. Driver's side seat is excellent around the cords, excellent shape. Gas gauge works, temp gauge is up now, so that's working properly. Wipers work. We talked about the radio and the horn already. The wipers are a 2-speed wiper and they work and park. Turn signal indicator works on the dash, both ways. A couple of things we did to this car. I ordered the bushings and we didn't get those done yet, but I did put a new turning signal switch in it. So the turning signals cancel now. We also did a trunk mat kit and stuff in it too. So, all right, I'll pass this over to Jay and we'll see how this thing drives. It really idles nice, don't it, Jay?
Yeah, like it's a brand new car.
Yeah, it's super clean. Power brake booster works really well. Got a nice pedal there. We might have to do a little more adjusting on the brakes. I noticed the first time I drove it, they pulled a little bit. Transmission shifts great. Just a really nice, easy shift. No shift kit, nothing like that. Speedometer works excellent as well, and the alignment's nice. What's your favorite Mustang, Jay? What year Mustang do you like?
It's
No offhand.
73.
73, you like the newer body style?
Yeah.
They drive better. They really drive nice. I'm more of an old school Mustang guy, but as far as running and driving down the road, it goes down the road awesome. 55, 60 right now. No hands on the wheel. We gotta hit our brakes in a hurry. No pull left or right. Kind of got behind some slow cars, Jay.
Yeah, that's
They're putting a damper on my video here. Anyway, I don't think we're gonna get around them anytime soon, but the car runs and drives fantastic. The steering feels nice. Just a great muscle car, guys. Just a nice turnkey Mustang. So check out our website, coyoteclassics.com. Remember to like us on Facebook, like us on YouTube. Thanks, guys.